Today we're going to learn symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid. The purpose of the solenoids is to open up and allow fluid to pass through the valve body. The channels inside the valve body lead to the automatic transmission, the pressurized clutch packs, and bands to activate specific gear changes. These solenoids get activated by the transmission control module, depending on the car's speed sensors and others. The location of the shift solenoids will typically be underneath the transmission oil pan around the valve body. The first symptom you might be experiencing with your car is a check engine light. If the transmission control module senses anything wrong with the sensors, it's going to turn on the check engine to warn the driver and set a diagnostic code. Some cars also come with a transmission light. Here are some trouble codes related to the solenoids. The scanner I use to help me read these codes is linked in the description. The second symptom you might be experiencing with your car is a gear shift delay. The reason why this happens is because the solenoids can get dirty and clogged through time. This can be due to dirty transmission fluid. Now, since the solenoid is dirty, it's going to reduce the fluid pressure from passing through efficiently, therefore delaying the time for the gear change. The third symptom you might be experiencing with your car is your transmission not being able to change gears. Now, if the shift solenoid is stuck closed or not opening, the fluid will never be able to pressurize through the valve body to activate the specific clutch packs and bands inside the transmission to change gears. The fourth symptom you might be experiencing is your car going into limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that protects your car. Now, since the shift solenoid is responsible for changing gears in your car, it puts your safety at risk. That's why limp mode is activated. And you'll feel your car a lot slower, your RPMs and speed will be limited, and you'll be stuck usually in second or third gear. Perfect. We just learned symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.